Hello, my name is Vilave Enoch Francis and I'm your tutor today. So today we have a short lesson which is about cell biology. Let us look at it quickly. Our learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, I want you to know what a cell is, the difference between different types of cells, the key organs or the different parts of a cell and their functions. I want you so to be able to differentiate between a plant and animal cell. So let us dive into our lesson. So hello, my name is Vilave Enoch Francis and I'm excited to take you through a short lesson on cell biology, one of the foundational topics in biology. So cells are the building blocks of all living things, from tiny bacteria to complex humans. So understanding cells help us understand how life works. So a cell is the smallest unit of life. All living things are made up of cells. Some of them are just made up of one cell, which you call unicellular. Others are made up of different or many cells, which you call multicellular, for example, plants and animals. So we have two types of cells, which also fall under two types of animals. So we have what we call eukaryotes. Those are animals with one type of cell, for example, bacteria. Then also we have eukaryotes. These are animals and plants which are made up of many cells. So eukaryotes are cells which are small, simple, and don't have a nucleus. Then eukaryotic cells, they are always large and they have a defined nucleus. So let us look at the eukaryotic cells. Okay, so these are the different parts of a cell. Okay, so we have a nucleus, which is the control center of the cell, and also it contains the DNA. Okay, so the DNA determines, like for example in human, whether you can be a girl or a boy. Then also we have the mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. This is where energy is manufactured, or this is where the metabolism takes place so that you can get energy. Then also we have ribosomes. These help in protein synthesis. We shall look at that earlier on. Then also note the chloroplasts are only found in plant cells. And these ones help in the process of photosynthesis, where green plants make their own food. Then also we have vacuoles, which are storage sacs. Plants have big ones, while animals have small ones. So there are key differences between animal and plant cells is that plant cells are regular, while the animal cells are irregular. The plant cells also have a cell wall, while the animal cells don't. The plant cells have chloroplasts, while the animal cells don't have. Okay, so you can look at some of my slides that you can think of a cell as a city and a nucleus as the city hall. Okay, so quickly let us interact. Can you name two differences between a plant cell and an animal cell? Okay, you said a cell wall and chloroplast. Wow, you got it right. Do you have any other question? Okay, you understood? That's wonderful. So to sum it up, cells are the basic units of life, and we have two types of cells, that is prokaryotic cells. Then also we have eukaryotic cells, okay, which are also called multicellular. Also we have the different types of cells which are found. For example, the animal cells, we say that they don't have a cell wall, they don't have chloroplast, while the plant cells have what? The plant cells have chloroplast, they have a regular shape, and also they have a cell wall. So thank you so much for listening to my presentation. I'll see you in the next lesson.